Pepe coin price alert. There's some signals flashing for Pepe coin that you need to be looking at if you are a Pepe coin holder. Welcome back to Crypto Report. I'm Black and I have another video for you guys. Today, we're going to be talking about Pepe and where I think we're going to be headed here because the altcoins are breaking down. How far will Pepe come down? So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop in this video. Okay, guys, we are looking at Pepe right now, and you can see we're starting to sell off, all right? But we need to emphasize, first things first here, that this trend line is holding up pretty well here. We're still in business, all right? The party's not over. We're not seeing signals that the party's over, but there are some bearish signals right now. When you look at Pepe on the daily, you look at market cipher, you have a red dot here. You can kind of see the trend is looking like that. We're going to have to see what happens here. I do think that there's a chance that we sell off here, especially if Bitcoin doesn't want to play nice. But I do think that there are some hopium in the markets. There are some hopium. You need to be paying attention to this, guys. I do think that there is a good chance that this is an opportunity. Anytime it looks really, really scary like this and everything's flashing that we should see continued drawdown, you need to be looking at the bigger picture. And I do think that there's a good chance that this is a buy the dip opportunity. And if you believe that, check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below. Or if you want to wait to buy, you think it's going to keep dumping for a while and you want to buy later on, then I recommend you sign up to Blowfin. We have a $5,000 sign-on bonus as well as 10% off all trading fees for the lifetime of your account when you sign up with this limited time offer with this link down below. So check that out if you want to buy this dip or you think that right now is the best time to buy. Check it out. So what's going on with Pepe here? So we're seeing at rank 24 down a 9.37% in the past 7 days, down about 10% on the day. Like I said, guys, it's been kind of a bloodbath over the past couple days here. We saw a huge candle to the downside on Bitcoin and it ripped the altcoins down with it. Anytime you see it this bad, you just know that there's retail investors in the market. The retail investors are here, guys. Just keep that in mind. When you see big sell-offs, anytime Bitcoin sneezes, that is signal that retail investors are here. So we're looking at a $777 billion market cap. I like the 3 sevens. Maybe it's good luck. Maybe. I don't know. But we're below 10 billion. All-time high for the market cap this cycle for Pepe was about $12 billion. So we are about 5 billion off the top, which is pretty significant. It is pretty significant. But we really need to be looking at Bitcoin dominance in Bitcoin. So Bitcoin dominance right now also looks not so good for altcoins. I will say that. But if you just pick this apart, you can kind of see where we're headed here, right? So when you look at market cipher, money flow is red, but it's sharp, and it looks like the money flow is starting to come back in, which would indicate that Bitcoin dominance is looking a little bullish. And you also have the signal here on market cipher where you see it, the momentum wave is moving up, and usually when you see that, then you see a big wave to the upside. We're looking at the daily time frame. But when you look at pure technicals of what's going on here and you look at, okay, well, we put in a lower high and we're breaking down, we're getting a little bit of a bounce here. This could turn into somewhat of a rising wedge that we just broke down out of. Yeah, I know, but it could put us in that situation and we could break down. But I'm not going to just solely only look at formations. I want to look at the entire broader market here. When you look at Pepe versus BTC right now as well, it looks pretty bearish. It looks like Bitcoin wants to take a tumble and rip the altcoins down with it. But I have to say, guys, when you look at Bitcoin, we're still holding the bullish trend, all right? Risk is to the upside. Sure, if Bitcoin rallies, you can see Pepe versus BTC fall even further. Sure, you can see Bitcoin dominance continue to make moves to the upside. Sure. But I do think that there's a good chance when you look at Bitcoin here. I mean, look at the daily time frame, guys. This was just a big flush out. I mean, we didn't get like the stop loss hunting like this with these huge wicks, but we're still maintaining this trend. This was a perfect example of a bull trap, and now we're starting to make our way here. We could come all the way down to $94,000, $95,000. I think that's an appropriate level. If we touch that level and go below it and see closures below that, then my entire thesis is going to be changing for the short term. But regardless, guys, we have higher to go here, okay? And when Bitcoin goes higher, Pepe's going to go higher, altcoins are going to go higher. It's just a matter of time. It's not an if, it's a when, guys, okay? But as of right now, all eyes are on Bitcoin. It's not even all eyes on Bitcoin dominance anymore at this point. It's all eyes are on Bitcoin. I do expect, like, if you look at this, like, this is bullish here. Even though we're seeing a big sell-off, it's still a higher low, okay? You're seeing bullish structures. I've seen some people draw this as like a W formation. Sure, you could do that, but, I mean, we came down, so it's kind of invalidated. Usually want to see a breakout from the W or like a little cup and handle type of situation. But if you look at this, you still are getting curvature here, and we could see a breakout a lot sooner than people expect. That's why I'm saying there's some hopium here, because the trend is still intact here. You look at the weekly time frame, it doesn't look as good, but we're still above the 60 line on market cipher, indicating we're in a bull zone. There's a lot of things that need to play out here. We really need to be paying attention to the price action, and we need to see price action on Bitcoin play out to see where is this market going to go. I know that everyone is very spooked right now, but we have to see it play out. You know, even if Bitcoin does break down from here, I'm not going to say, oh, the top is in, the bull market's off. It's not like that at all. Really, if we do break down from here and we get below the $95,000 territory, then we probably start talking again about 88K and 85,000. And if we break below that, if you've been watching the Crypto Report, you know I've been saying, if we break below 88 and 85,000, well, then we're probably getting set up for a much larger rally. Yes, it's more bullish if we correct now, but we'll probably expect a much larger rally later on in 2025. But if we hold above 95K, then I do think that we're getting ready to see this continue to the upside throughout the first half of 2025. So there's a lot of price action that we need to be paying attention to. We need to be seeing this develop if you want to see your altcoins do well. You know, I know this is a Pepe coin video, but we really need to be looking at Bitcoin right now, guys. It is extremely important. If you're a Pepe coin bull, you need to be looking at Bitcoin. You can't just be looking at Pepe in a vacuum. Sure, you can, but you're going to get caught. You're going to get caught. It's a lot. This market all moves together, and Bitcoin is the king, and it's the tide that raises all the ships, and it's the tide that crashes all the ships. Like, that is the most cliche saying for the cryptocurrency market, but man, it's the truth. You need to be paying attention to it, guys. But to look at Pepe underneath a microscope, like I said, you have the red dot here. It doesn't look that good, to be honest. But when you look at the weekly time frame, it's fine. It's absolutely fine. Like, we're still holding this bullish structure. Momentum wave high. Yeah, we have a red dot, but the money flow is still thick. It looks pretty good. So we really need to be paying attention to where Bitcoin is going to take us here in the next coming weeks. And usually, statistically speaking, January, usually we have a sell-off. Usually we do. And I think that there's a chance of that. But even if we have that sell-off, February, March should be relatively bullish, especially if we aren't already making new all-time highs by the end of January. This is a very, very intricate next couple of months for price action for Bitcoin. So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be delivering these videos to you guys every single day. I do also want to say, in the spirit of this market and the sell-off, I want to be giving back to you guys. Go follow me at 333blacksea on Instagram and Twitter. If I can get to 1,000 followers on Instagram in the next 24 hours, I'll give one of you guys $1,000. Go follow me there. If you like this type of content, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section below. Do you think that we're getting ready to see a broader sell-off across the board? I mean, the stock market sold off yesterday pretty bad. We did see that. We'll see how it has to play out in market open today. But I do think that it's going to be a very interesting next couple weeks for the cryptocurrency market. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. And check out those awesome referral links down below. $5,000 sign-on bonus, 10% off all trading fees. And that's all I got for you guys. I'll see you in the next one.